My cable is coming apart. See how this black sheathing is coming apart from the yellow housing? So I heard that you can, or read on Reddit, that you can put this out in the sun, and when the black rubber heats up, you can stretch it out so it'll get back into the sleeve, and then use brown Gorilla Glue to glue it in place. So I ordered some brown Gorilla Glue and I want to give that a try. It's a cool day, but it is really sunny. So let's leave this out for an hour or so, see if it warms up. Well, it's warmed up some. Let me see if I can start working this sheathing down. I don't know if it's stretching, but give it a try. This is hard work and I have a long ways to go. It's really hard work. I've still got like 15 more feet to go. But it looks like, yeah, I got enough that I can get it inside there. So now I just have to get the Gorilla Glue and see if I can glue it into place. So here's the glue that I'll be using. It's Gorilla Glue and it's the brown kind. I just heard that's what you should use. And it says wear gloves because it stains. So first I have to open the glue. Scissors don't seem to work. Oh yeah, okay, got them open. Okay, then it says to lightly dampen one surface with water. So I'm going to lightly dampen the black thing. And maybe I'll try to, I don't know. Yeah, you're supposed to lightly dampen one surface and then spread the glue on the other surface. So I think I'm going to lightly dampen inside the yellow part. And then it says a thin layer of glue. So let me see. I'll put this paper towel out underneath it. It's windy today. Let's see if I can do this. Ooh, that's not a really thin layer. Okay, let me just get it all around. I think that's it. And then, oh, come on, press it in. And then how long do I have to hold it for? I should have read that first. Clamp for 1 to 2 hours. Well, I'm not going to sit here for 1 to 2 hours. I'm not sure what I can do. This may be a failure because of my lack of reading the instructions ahead of time. But I want to get the cap on my glue before it dries out. Oh, I have to clean the surface off. Clean the nozzle off. Okay. Well, lesson learned, I should have read first. I think I could get some bricks that I can use to kind of clamp it. Okay, I got these bricks. I'll try setting them up to kind of clamp it. Hopefully it hasn't already moved out, but we'll see. Well, this is what it is. And we'll see in 1 to 2 hours if it's holding. Wish me luck. Okay, it's been about 2 hours. Let's see if this is set. No, not at all. Not at all. Ugh. It's just, yeah. It's just gooey. See how shiny it is? Humph. That makes it seem like it's not even going to work. I don't know if it's even worth trying again, but what have I got to lose? So I have a cup of water and I'll just dampen the inside of the yellow part again. And then get my Gorilla Glue, There's already a lot on there, but I'm just going to try putting a little more on. Oops, it drips. Okay, shove it in there. This time, don't let it move. So I clamp it into place, kinda. Have pushed on this end. Okay. All right, so I have to wait another 2 hours. Well, I'm gonna give it a try, but I don't have high hopes. Hey, what do you know? It worked. If it hadn't worked, I think I would have tried super glue next, but this seems good. They say to leave it for 24 hours to let it cure thoroughly, so I won't plug it in today. But I'm excited. It seems like it really worked. Okay, it's been drying overnight, and it looks pretty good. So I'll try plugging it in, see if it holds when it's hanging there. And yeah, it's doing good. So I think that was a success.